Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile and the deals that they have with the iPhone SEs. This is even a sweeter deal that they have going on, so let's check it out. Limited time offer, so it just depends when you're watching this video if they will still have this deal available. So like I said, I'm still getting my voice kind of back, so kind of bear with me. But it says limited offer, so limited time offer basically. $49 iPhone SE 2nd gen with a $50 unlimited plan when you switch to Boost Mobile. So really cool. So right off the bat, it says you have to switch to Boost Mobile. So let's get into it. Like I said, $49 and then $50 for a phone. So right at $99, you can get basically an iPhone SE 2nd gen, which is still a really good phone. And a month service have unlimited plan with Boost Mobile. Remember that $50 monthly plan actually gives you unlimited talk, text, and data, but it's only about $35 or 35 gigs of data. So let's go ahead and check it out. So here it is, $50 a month. It's like I said, unlimited talk and text, 35 gigs of 5G/4G data. After that, of course, speeds will be reduced. And of course, 5G where it's available. You get 12 gigs of mobile hotspot, and you can add a line for $30 a month, which is not bad at all. For $60 a month, you get same thing, unlimited talk and text, 35 still gigs of data. Basically, for the $10 extra, you're getting a little bit more hotspot. So that's it. I mean, I wish I gave you more data, but no, it's just more hotspot. So now that we know what we're getting, let's go ahead and click get it now. And let's go ahead and here we go. Let's go to checkout. So Honey, if you guys want to check out Honey, it saves you, coupons, savings, a lot of different things. Check it out in the description below. So you would fill out your billing information here, account info, address, and all that stuff, credit card. Do you want to transfer your number? Yes or no? I guess here it doesn't really matter. If you do, click yes or no. So if you are switching your number from a different carrier, of course you're going to click yes, I want to transfer my current phone number to Boost Mobile, or no, you don't. So there's a little asterisk there, so you have to pick one of these. Sorry, my wife's getting her hair done right now, so that's probably what you're hearing right now. So it says order summary, iPhone SE 2nd gen. And we'll look at that phone and what's so good for $49, guys. This phone retails for like $400, like $399.99. So to get for $50 is a steal. Of course, you're also getting a SIM card, which is actually the AT&T Boost Mobile. So you're not going to be using T-Mobile's network, guys, which I actually kind of do prefer the AT&T one, at least here in my area. It just depends. But you will be getting the AT&T Boost Mobile SIM kit, envelope for web/care for SIM out devices. So it looks like you will be using AT&T's network, and of course unlimited plan. Shipping will be calculated. It says $0, so it might be free, and then of course taxes, surcharges, which is pretty cool. So, but basically for right under $100, or right at $100, should I say, you can get this deal. So think about it, guys. $50 for an iPhone SE 2nd gen, really good. Non-5G, of course, but still. And $50 for service is crazy. So let's go ahead and look at the iPhone SE 2nd gen. If they still have it here. There it is. Look at that phone. Even if you don't get it without the plan. So Boost Mobile is saying, well, that's for the 128, but the 64 gig, like I said, is $400. Right now you can get for $200. But if you do the promo right now, then you can go ahead and get it for, like I said, $100, and you get service and the phone. So not bad at all. Of course, they have them in different, colors: the black, the white, and the red. 4.7-inch screen, 12 megapixel camera, 14 hours of talk time, 4K video, and iOS 13. Now, the main thing with this is, from when I had my phone, guys, the SE 2nd gen, when I got it, the battery life is pretty small. You will have to charge this phone a couple times per day, maybe 2 to 3 times, just depending on how heavily you use this phone. I would have to charge about 3 times a day, just because I would use my phone to watch videos and stuff like that. So yeah, that's the only thing. Everything else, amazing with this phone. Like I said, small size, huge performance, which is really nice. The camera is really good on it, guys. I'm gonna say that the camera is good for it. Water resistant, does have a fingerprint sensor button still from like the iPhone 8, which is great. iPhone 11 Pro called. It wants its chip back. Of course, it does have the A13 Bionic chip apparently this phone, which is great. Basically, what they did was they took an iPhone 11's internals, or Pro internals, I should say, and they basically put it into this phone. So they did upgrade a little things here and there, but overall, it's a great phone. You know, high definition. You can shoot 4K videos in full HD. QuickTime allows you to start recording videos in photo mode by just holding the shutter. So overall, really good. Binge worthy. Battery life, that might be a long stretch. Like I said, you can get about 13 hours on a single charge. Yeah, maybe. I highly doubt it. Like I said, just depends how you use your phone. When I use mine, it tends to kind of go through the battery quite a bit, you know. Even more great stuff: True Tone, dynamic adjust white balances, display images, haptic touch, augmented reality, audio sharing, fast Wi-Fi and cellular data, stereo audio recording, which is great. So you get surround sound, fast charge capable, which you definitely need it, dual SIM, dual numbers, and of course you can get some accessories. But overall, I think it's a good phone. Here's some of the specs: built-in rechargeable lithium-ion battery. Talking about 14 hours, so that's I think 13 up there, but whatever. Non-removable, of course. Memory varies, just because, like I said, it depends on the one you get. A13 Bionic chip, 3rd generation neural engine. iOS 13 with dark mode. Camera's 12 megapixel wide camera. Portrait mode, portrait lighting, depth control, next gen small HDR, and 4K video. 7 megapixel front camera with portrait mode, portrait lighting, and depth control. So overall, it's pretty cool. Like I said, now this phone is small, guys. The screen is only 4.7 inch. It's a Retina HD display. Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi, Lightning connector, and NFC with reader mode. Other features is, of course, the Touch ID with secure authentication and Apple Pay, fast charging, and wireless charging. So overall, my takeaway from this is it's a good budget phone, especially if you're getting with a promo, guys, where you're getting this phone for $50. It's a steal because, like I said, if you go check it out, the retail price on this is $400. I actually paid that much for mine when I got mine. I got the 128 actually, so I think it was like $450. And it was a great phone. I kept it for a couple months until the iPhone 12 came out, I believe, and then once the 13 came out, I got the 13 Pro, which is the one I currently have. But overall, it was a good phone for what it is. Let me know in the comments below, would you get this? And remember, you'll be getting the AT&T network, and unlimited data does give you 35 gigs of high-speed data. So check it out. More videos coming your way. Please comment, rate, subscribe for more, guys. Thank you.